Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Yeah, that's a little, I'm not used to saying that. But as you might have seen, I did change the channel name to The Miller Family because my husband's going to be involved in this channel a lot too. And wherever we go, like say that we go to an outing, we'll take you guys along. So today we went to Aldi and Walmart. The first was Aldi, and then the second was Walmart. We only got a few things at Walmart, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's just go on to the video.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, hold you tight. 'Cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? You can buy your way into my heart, but you don't see that I just want you. You get me things, but I don't care. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know
go around. Is that all you have?
You sure?
I have a ton. Go. You only have 2 things. 3 things.
You go ahead of me too.
We have a ton of stuff. We're all good. It's so much easier than like making them wait. It's like you have 3 items.
Exactly. Yeah, I'm ever in the store with only a couple things. I sure appreciate it. Means I'm in a hurry. Usually.
Exactly. How long is your hair?
It's pretty long.
Do you know Marie Lewis? Maybe different church then.
Yeah, I go to Church of God out in Fishing, Missouri.
Ah, okay, yeah. There's several different ones that have the long hair. And
Yeah.
she's Pentecostal.
Oh, okay. I'm not Pentecostal, but we have a lot of the same.
Heck, I'm Mormon, and but they believe you can wear whatever you want, pants, shorts, whatever. But I don't.
Oh, okay. And so you live here in Tampa?
We live here.
Okay.
All of them? No, there has to be more in the back.
That's it. We never put the others back.
We let somebody with 3 items go ahead of us. It's 3 items.
I see these handles.
I know that, but still,
You close it up and down there.
I know that. Go ahead. Go. You only have 4 items. It's like, oh my god. She has 4 items. Sauerkraut. Oh, I love that.
I know it. This is pretty good sauerkraut too. It can be sour, but this is fine.
Yeah, he hates sauerkraut. It's hilarious. It's like, how can you hate sauerkraut? When I tried giving it to you and you wouldn't eat it. That's just to eat my the rest of my stuff. I'm gonna put one of the pineapples back. Do you want to put one of these back too? Well, it's supposed to last 2 weeks, one for each week. Yep. Yep. Can you just ask her if she can put it in this drawer? I want to take off the bag. Good, how are you? Yep, I'm just gonna unhook this. That'd be terrible. I'm making sure nothing else is in this bag.
Thank you.
Seriously? That's a lot of stuff for $35.
I'm sorry. I'm going on break. Someone else will come. Right, okay, you can come on down.
Okay, how much is it?
All right, 34.22.
125. You get the 3 pennies.
Need the penny taken.
Hey, at least it wasn't 6.66. That was bad. He gets the 3 pennies. Babe, grab that, will ya?
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Oh, oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, 'cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. You can buy your way into my heart, but you don't see that I just want you. You get me things, but I don't care. Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to.
Alright, hey guys, we've been home for a while. I've actually been out with friends, and it actually is like midnight, my time, but I am finally getting ready to do the grocery haul. I put the stuff from the fridge, that goes in the fridge, so I'll get that first. We got some light sour cream. I get the light because it's better for me to lose weight. We got 3 cream cheeses. One is for me to eat with my breakfast, and then these 2 are for a recipe that I'm going to be doing. I got light non-fat yogurt, plain. It is 2 pounds of yogurt. And I'm going to be eating this that I got a while ago at Aldi with it. I got cheddar cheese and I got mozzarella. This is for a couple recipes that I made it for, and this is for a recipe. And then for my husband's breakfast, I got some eggs. So let me put these back in the fridge, and then forgot. We also got a gallon of milk. This should last us 2 weeks, and that will be better than just getting 2 half gallons. So I'm gonna put these back in the fridge, and then I'll do another part of the grocery haul. Alright, we got strawberries, 2 of them, 1 per week. I am making some enchiladas, and I will be filming a video of our pantry challenge, because this is part of a pantry challenge, because we have a lot of ingredients for this stuff already, so yeah. And then these were 89 cents, I think, a piece for 3 of them. And I got 3 of the 3 because, yeah, therefore, I'm going to be making stuffed peppers, so, yeah, we needed these. I'm going to put these in the fridge. Okay. And the rest of this, I think this goes in the fridge, but I need to really put it in the fridge, honestly. Okay, everything's in the fridge. Pantry. I have 2 things of sugar on. This is for a recipe that I will be showing you. It goes in the crock pot, so it'll just be simpler. This is for baked ziti, but we use penne instead of ziti because way better for us. And then this is my bread, and this is my husband's bread. Because this is better for you. This has 3 fibers. This is 3 fiber to 3 grams of sugar. And this one is 1 daily fiber to 2 grams of sugar. So, this is for my husband for snacking. This is for my breakfast. And then snacks that we both can eat. And then this is for a recipe. It's rice. And then I have burgers on the menu. We still have to get the actual burgers, but we have ketchup and mustard for that. And then we bought 6 of the Libby's Vienna sausages. 3 are mine, 3 are my husband's, because I honestly really shouldn't eat them, but they are super good. And I have 2 more. Oh, we also bought Tony's pizza, but we already ate those for dinner. We got me a 24 pack of Sprite and him a 12 pack, because he still has a few cans left in his 24 pack, and the 12 pack should last him 2 weeks because he's just not home ever. Okay, this is our pantry. We still have breakfast cereals. We have cream of mushroom back here. We have some soup for like lunches if we need them. Like I said, we have enchilada sauce. We have some stuff for tater tot casserole. We have tomato paste. We have chicken broth. We actually have 2 chicken broths. And I really need to organize this. But we have 2 chicken broths that I can use for a recipe that my husband loves. This is for the baked ziti, and here's the other. No, that's not. Is that it? Yeah, here's the other chicken broth. See, this is 70% less, and this is 33, and this is why we're going to keep getting this. Besides, this is organic. This is not. Healthier for me. Noodles. Ketchup and mustard. Right here. And I actually keep these because this winter I'm going to be making my own chicken broth. And so I can use those. The rice and then the bagels. And these were cheaper than just getting actual. Alright. And then if we look in the freezer, we have a ton of chicken. I need to take this out and put it in the sink. We have some corn, I have bananas, I have bags of mixed fruit. I have, this is a bag of chicken bones. This is, tater tots from Aldi. Then back here, we have french fries because I'm going to be making some burgers. So. Just go in the trash because I have no idea what that is. This is chicken breast. Oh, well then. I find stuff that I didn't know I had. Another pound of ground turkey that can go. See, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pounds of ground turkey. butter, orange juice that never used, so I'll probably get rid of. More chicken, some salmon, some steaks, 2 steaks down there. Which reminds me, I need to figure out what chicken thighs are older. These are from yesterday. And this is rabbit right here. So, if you guys will just give me a minute, let's put you on the counter. Before I put this in, there's also some pork down there, pork chops, they're bone in. So, May 1st, 2019, we'll go under, down and under. Oh, okay, I know what these are. These are the beef stuff. Gotcha. That's what they are. This is for recipe. Okay. So. And then my husband also has some more ham, but he has more ham in the fridge. This one just stays until he finishes his ham. But it should be soon from the one in the fridge. Yeah, these are older than March 30th, I know that, so this will be a later one. Okay, so I'll take the single one, and then the 3-1 to make it 4. 2 for each of us. And then I will put this back on top. So I'm making chicken and rice tomorrow night. So that is everything in the freezer. And then, okay, it looks pretty well cleaned out. So this is my husband's lunchbox. Back there is a ground beef that we need to use up. Here are some mushrooms that need to be used up. More mushrooms. Some sausages that will go with my husband's breakfast. Tomatoes. A lot of cheddar cheese, which we don't need to buy anymore. Spaghetti sauce. The milk that needs to be used up by the 8th. Well, actually not really, because it's not even open, so. And then back here is some lasagna noodles, juice. This is soy sauce that goes in a recipe that I'm going to be making tomorrow night, which is chicken and rice. Mayonnaise, ricotta cheese, which goes with the lasagna. Sauerkraut, and then this is something that my husband loves to eat, so. And then over here is some rice pudding, cream cheese, the strawberries, yeah. And then the bell peppers are down here. So, like I said, this is a pantry haul, well, a pantry challenge week, actually, pantry challenge month, really, honestly. But, yeah. Alright, so I will be going with you guys to go to my budget planner thing, not really planner, but where I budget our money. So I will see y'all then. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Welcome back. Today, I am going to do our May 2019 first paycheck.
Tonight we're running on the right track.